To unblock a phone number on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the phone application. From here, you can go for the recents, and right here in this recents, the blocked number appears like this. It has this icon and it says that it's blocked. So if you want to unblock a phone number from your recents, for example, you can press and hold on this one, and here is the button to unblock it. Oh, I misclicked. Here's the button to unblock it, and press unblock. And now you can see that this button has been unblocked. This number, has been unblocked, and this is the first way to do this. And the second way is you can go simply for these three dots on the top right corner and go for the settings. And from here, go for the blocked numbers. And right here, you will be able to see all of these numbers which you have previously blocked. So from here, you can find this number which you have blocked and simply press this X icon right next to this number, just like this, and press this button to unblock this number. And as you can see, this particular number has been unblocked, and that's how you can do this.